will see how to print this pattern. Okay, so if you observe this pattern here, we are having how many rows? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows, right? 7 rows. So as per the 7 rows, in the first row we are having 7 starts, 6 5 4 3 2 1, right? Elements are in the decreasing order in the each row. Okay, and we are having spaces in the starting of the each row except first row. So first row is not having any space. From the second row we are having spaces, right? In the second row we are having 1 space. In the third row we are having 2 spaces. In the fourth row we are having 3 spaces, right? If you take this as a base, okay, in the fourth row, okay, 4 stars are there, and how many spaces are there? 1 2 1 2 3, right? 3 spaces are there, these, right, like that. So 1 2 3 4 5. In last row 5 spaces are there, right? Exactly at this element, at this place, element is printing. Okay, so before these, this many spaces are there. 1 space, 2, and 1 space, stars. Okay, star space, and star. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, and this is 6 spaces are there, right? 1 2, okay, 3 and 4 and 5, and element again 6. So totally 3 stars are there, and in between 3 spaces are there, right? Okay, 1 to 6. So we'll see how to write the Java program to print this pattern 43. Okay, so as you know, this is our class statement. It's a main method, and this is scanner class object to enter the input from the keyboard, and whatever the number we are entering from the keyboard, I am storing it in the variable n. After that I am printing output. Okay, enter how many rows you want in this pattern, and after that output I'm writing here is your output pattern. Okay, after that, so if you observe this pattern 43, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows are there. 7 rows are there, right? And I have to take one outer for loop for the each row, and after that I have to take one inner for loop to print these stars, and another inner loop to print spaces in the starting of the rows. Okay, so I have to write 2 inner loops and 1 outer loop. Okay, so I'm writing for int I equal to 1. Okay, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. After that I have to print stars in the each row, right, as in the decreasing order, right? The elements means the stars are in the decreasing order, 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, right? So I have to start from maximum number for int j equal to n, j greater than or equal to I. Okay, j minus minus I am writing. Okay, so I'm printing here stars. Okay, after that I'm coming to the next line, means next row, and after that I have to write ac dot close to avoid any resource leaks. Okay, so doing Control Shift F, okay, to format. Okay, then Control Shift F. Okay, I have formatted the code, and Okay, we'll see now. So now with the one loop it will print only stars. After that we have to print the spaces. Okay, so spaces, so now it will print the stars in the decreasing order, because so for I equal to 1 it will come to here. J is how much? 7, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 to 1, right? So J will be 7, and 7 greater than or equal to 1, it will print 1 star. After that J value will become decrement every time, right? J value will decremented by 1 every time. So whenever J is equal to 7 it will print 1 star. 6, after that J value will become 6. 6 greater than or equal to 1 row. 5 greater than or equal to 1 row, it will print star. 4 greater than or equal to 1, it will print star. 3 greater than or equal to 1, it will print star. 2 greater than or equal to 1, it will print star, and 1 greater than or equal to 1, it will print star. So totally 7 stars it will print. After that 1 minus 1 0, it will become 0 greater than or equal to 1. This condition is false, so it will come to the next line. Okay, we'll see the output once I'm entering 7. See, 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, right? So this is our 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and but the output pattern we are trying to print is this one, right? We have to print the spaces in between the elements and in the starting, right? So for that, to print the spaces between the elements, means spaces between the starts, I have added space here, and another inner for loop to print the spaces in starting of the rows. Okay, except first row. Okay, so we have to print the starts, we have to print spaces from row number 2, right? In the row number 2 1 space, in the row number 3 2 spaces, like that, right? 1 to maximum how many spaces in the last row? 6. So 1 to 6 I have to print, right? Spaces. So what I am doing, from I am taking J equal to 1 to 6, right? Except first row, so it will not print any spaces in the first row. That's why I have to take J less than I condition. Okay, and spaces are in the increasing order, right? From 1 to 6. That's why I have written J plus plus. Okay, after that I am printing spaces. Okay, now we will see how the output will come. I'm giving 7 as input. This is what we are trying to print, right? So 43, this is the so in the first row how many spaces? No spaces. Okay, in the second row 1 space, third row 2 spaces, like that, right? So this is how, so whatever the output pattern we want, we have printed. Okay, so this is how we have to write the Java program to print this pattern. So here if you observe, for I equal to 1 for the first row, it will come this outer loop. So I equal to 1, so J is equal to 1, and here 1 less than 1, this condition is false, right? So in the first row it will not print any space. Okay, after that 2 less than 1, this condition also false. 1 less than 1 false, and 2 less than 1, both are false. Okay, 1 less than 1 is already false, so it will not print anything in the first row. It will directly come to print the stars in the first row. Okay, after, so in the second row I equal to 2, J equal to 1, 1 less than 2, this condition is true. That's why it will print only 1 space. After that it will become 2 less than 2, this condition is false. right? In the first row it will print only one space, after that it will print the elements. Like that it will work. Okay, hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.